Hi, in this video we'll explain the key differences between internal combustion engines and electric motors in a simple and engaging way. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a potential buyer, or just curious about how these technologies work, this video will provide you with a comprehensive understanding of both systems. Internal combustion engines, often abbreviated as ICE, have been the backbone of the automotive industry for over a century. These engines have powered everything from the earliest automobiles to modern-day sports cars, trucks, and even some motorcycles. Their development has been a journey of innovation and engineering marvels. On the other hand, electric motors are relatively new in the mainstream market but are rapidly gaining popularity. With advancements in battery technology and a growing emphasis on sustainability, electric vehicles, or EVs, are becoming a more viable option for everyday transportation. Let's start with the internal combustion engine, or ICE. These engines rely on the combustion of fuel, such as gasoline or diesel, to generate power. The fuel is mixed with air, compressed by pistons and ignited by spark plugs, creating a controlled explosion that drives the pistons. The process involves igniting the fuel within the engine's cylinders, causing a series of controlled explosions that drive the pistons. This combustion process is what gives ICEs their characteristic sound and power. These pistons then move up and down, turning the crankshaft and ultimately powering the vehicle. This system has many moving parts such as pistons, valves, and camshafts, all working in harmony. The complexity of this system is both a strength and a weakness, as it allows for high performance but also requires meticulous maintenance. However, one of the major downsides of ICEs is that they produce carbon emissions, which have a significant impact on the environment. These emissions contribute to air pollution and global warming, making it crucial to find cleaner alternatives. Additionally, due to their complexity and the number of moving parts, internal combustion engines require regular maintenance to keep them running smoothly. This includes oil changes, spark plug replacements, and other routine services. Now let's shift our focus to electric motors. Electric motors are powered by electricity stored in batteries. These batteries can be recharged by plugging the vehicle into an electrical outlet or charging station. The simplicity of this system is one of its greatest advantages. One of the most significant advantages of electric motors is that they produce zero emissions during operation, making them much more environmentally friendly compared to ICEs. This is a major selling point for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner planet. Electric motors also have fewer moving parts, which means there is less that can go wrong and consequently less maintenance is needed. This can result in lower long-term costs and fewer trips to the mechanic. Another notable feature of electric motors is their ability to provide instant torque. This results in rapid acceleration, giving electric vehicles a quick and responsive feel. Unlike ICEs, which need to build up power, electric motors deliver power immediately, enhancing the driving experience. In conclusion, both internal combustion engines and electric motors have their own set of pros and cons. While ICEs are known for their reliability and the extensive infrastructure supporting them, they are also associated with environmental concerns and higher maintenance needs. Internal combustion engines are widely used due to their traditional design and the existing infrastructure that supports them. They are known for their reliability and the ability to refuel quickly. This makes them a convenient choice for long-distance travel and areas with limited charging infrastructure. On the other hand, electric motors represent the future with their efficiency, eco-friendliness, and the potential for technological advancements. As battery technology improves, electric vehicles are becoming more practical and accessible. The future of transportation is likely to see a blend of both technologies, each serving different needs and preferences. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. Your support helps us bring you more informative and engaging videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of automotive technology. Welcome back! Now that we've explored the key differences between internal combustion engines and electric motors, let's take a quick journey through the evolution of automotive technology. The story of automotive innovation begins in the 19th century with the advent of steam-powered vehicles. These early machines were cumbersome and required significant time to start up, but they laid the groundwork for future advancements. Steam engines were soon followed by the internal combustion engine, which revolutionized personal and commercial transportation. Fast forward to the late 20th century and we see the emergence of hybrid vehicles. Combining internal combustion engines with electric motors, hybrids offered a glimpse into the potential of cleaner and more efficient transportation. Pioneers like the Toyota Prius showed the world that it was possible to reduce emissions without sacrificing performance. Today we stand on the brink of a new era with the rise of fully electric vehicles. Companies like Tesla, Nissan and Chevrolet are leading the charge, developing innovative electric cars that are not only practical but also exhilarating to drive. With advancements in battery technology, electric vehicles are becoming more viable for everyday use, offering longer ranges and faster charging times. As we look to the future, the potential for automotive technology seems limitless. Autonomous driving, advanced connectivity, and even more efficient energy storage systems are just a few of the exciting developments on the horizon. The automotive industry continues to evolve, driven by the quest for sustainability, efficiency, and a better driving experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car content. Your support helps us bring you more informative and engaging videos. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the fascinating world of automotive technology.